Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, we studied about the rotation of the earth. Let's discuss what is rotation. The spinning movement of the earth around its own axis is called rotation of the earth. But what is revolution? The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path is called revolution of the earth. See, the earth is moving in an elliptical path around the sun. Perhaps it is sun. The earth moves around the sun in a fixed path. Which is known as revolution of the earth. Then the earth completes one revolution around the sun about 365 days and 6 hours. It takes to complete one revolution 365 days and 6 hours. It takes 365 days, 6 hours to complete one revolution. Then after every 4 years, the 6 hours become a day. 6 into 4 equal to 24 hours. So after every 4 years, this one day is added to the month of February, and the year is called as the leap year. In the leap year, the February month has 29 days. Then, what is the causes of revolution? The revolution of the earth causes the seasons. We experience the seasons due to the revolution. Causes of revolution or advantage of revolution or the importance of revolution. But the revolution of the earth causes seasons. Let us discuss how the different seasons occurs or how we can experience different seasons due to the revolution. When one part of the earth faces the sun, the other part is always from the sun. See, the earth revolute, the earth moves around the sun like this path. So when the earth moves around the sun, then one part of the earth faces the sun and the other part is away from the sun. So the part of the earth that faces the sun experiences summer season. The part of the earth which faces the sun experiences summer season, and the other part experiences winter season. There are 4 main seasons. 1. Summer. 2. Winter. 3. Spring. 4. Autumn. Then let's see the picture. Here the earth moves around the sun in the elliptical path. This is known as the orbit. See. In 21st June, the north pole of the earth is tilted towards the sun. That's why the sun rays shine directly on the Tropic of Cancer. This is equator. This is Tropic of Cancer. The sun rays shine directly on the Tropic of Cancer. That's why in 21st June in northern hemisphere the summer experiences, and in the southern hemisphere the winter season occurs. In the 22nd December, the south pole of the earth is tilted towards the sun. That's why in the northern hemisphere the winter season occurs, and in the northern hemisphere the in the southern hemisphere the summer season occurs, and in the northern hemisphere the winter season occurs. And in 23rd September the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere is present at equal distance from the sun. That's why in the northern hemisphere the autumn occurs, and in the southern hemisphere the spring occurs. And in 21st March, like 23rd September, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere present at equal distance from the sun. That's why in the northern hemisphere the spring occurs, and in the southern hemisphere the autumn occurs. And in the 21st June the day is long, and after the 21st June the day becomes shorter and shorter. Like that, in 22nd December, the night is long and the day is short. And after 22nd December, the night becomes shorter and shorter and the day becomes long. In 23rd September, the length of the days and night are equal. And also in the 21st March, the day and the night equal. So, these days are known as the equinoxes, and 21st June is known as the summer solstice, and the 22nd December is known as the winter solstice.